Been waiting on the sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gonna get it like that. So I think you ITDA, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like that? Boy, you know that you always do it right. Man, love you back. Just saying all back, boy, take it all back, boy. Take it back all night. Just saying all back, take it all back. Ooh, do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting bad, man, it hurts the sound when I look you in your eye. Let's go. Hala, si Ate DA, grabe naman. Kako. Let's go, Kakoy. What are you willing to do? Oh, it's nagpapa-level up yan. Round 68. Been waiting on that sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gonna get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, had to take me back. Who cares when it feels like rap? Boy, you know that you always do it right, right. Ooh, man, love your pride. Just take it all back, boy, take it all back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it all back, take it all back. Ooh, do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting bad. Oh. Hala, parang tinapos nyo naman yung last goal. Isa na lang ang goal natin, guys. Rar! For our gift gallery, everybody! Parang nagtampo na si Ma'am Divina. Wala po talaga siya tuwing afternoon kasi alas 5, nagko-close daw yung store niya. Kayo kasi. Pag si Ma'am Divina talaga nagtampo, lahat ng mga sumuhol kagabi, wala kayong t-shirt tsaka hoodie sa akin. Kung isa kayo sa mga pinagtulungan ako, oo. Man, love you back. Just take it all back, boy. Take it all back, boy. Take it back, on. Just take it all back. Take it all back, oh. Sino yung mga nandito kagabi? Di ba naaalala niyo kung sino yung mga nambuli sa akin? Oh, what are you willing to do? Tell me what you... Kissy, better, baby. Oh, si JP yung pasimuno. Walang t-shirt talaga. Ayan, sila SP, sila Amlib. Ayan, Princess, pakilista sila ha. Hanapin ko sa'yo yung list ng mga ano, yung mga may kasalanan kagabi. Oo. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Pag si Ma'am Divina talaga nagtampo, sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo. Sinuhulan nyo kasi kagabi. Ayan na, times 3 guys, times 3. Let's go. Thank you. Sila Ate DA safe yan. Hindi ko natandaan kagabi, oo. Ayan, number 67 na tayo guys. Let's go, ilaban natin rank 50.